The random questions. What's one weird thing about you? I am a rare person because I have mental abilities. I can see the essence of being through people's eyes. My mind begins to feel people's intellectual capacities and I can deduce their true personality. I can also perceive negative energies in people, and the strangest thing about me is my great capacity to have empathy with people. In this way, I can help them to solve their problems assertively, and I can also easily see the virtues and sufferings of human beings. I like to feel all these strange things. After all, I have been able to strengthen my soul and learn about other capacities related to the development of my thinking because now I can think beyond what is visible and I can find solutions to real life situations. Every day I practice meditation to clear my mind and body of negative energies. And I also like to listen to relaxing vibration waves to achieve special sensations to connect with my universe. I am also in constant connections with God because His love is the basic of the true love. I always fight to do things well and I don't care about the time I have to spend because I like to understand the information deeply. I think it's weird to be a deep thinker because the people I meet always want to do things without the slightest commitment. People do not understand that excellence is found in critical and investigative thinking. I want to learn many things to strengthen my knowledge, and I am here studying to be a teacher who can solve educational situations. Thank you very much.